today, Oshi?
We are making fritters, and I just forgot. So welcome back. So
what do we got, Oshi?
Are the ingredients. We have got eggs, tinsy wincy salt and pepper, 2 zucchinis, potato,
Sweet
potato, buckwheat, bacon and cheese.
So eggs, salt and pepper, zucchini, sweet potato, corn, buckwheat flour, some shortcut bacon, and a little bit of really sharp Parmesan cheese.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So we've done the boring stuff. We didn't even fast forward at this time, but we have half a sweet potato. We've got 1 zucchini. We've diced up 1 shortcut bacon rasher and half an onion, which I did forget to mention before, but there is onion in there. We've also got 2 eggs here, a little bit of corn, some of our Parmesan cheese that we said. So, Oshi, in the bowl here, can I get you to add 1/3 a cup, so 1/3 of a cup of this buckwheat flour?
I will do that.
Now, I'm not going to go into the benefits of buckwheat flour, but I do recommend you Google it and look it up.
So guys, can we help me to make it happen? Bam! And make sure you spill it. Bam!
It takes skill to hold this with a steady hand while you're getting smacked on the bot. That's it, keep going, one level. Now to this, guys, we're going to add 2 eggs. Now I do have my beater behind me to beat them up. Good girl.
Try not to mess it up.
There we go.
Oh!
There we go. There you are, Oshi.
So guys, now we're going to crack 2 eggs. So guys, today I'm blind. Make sure the shell doesn't go in, guys. Be very careful.
Yes, always do it with your family. So guys, we have just been together. What did we do together?
Yes.
Yeah, what did we put together, Osh?
So we put buckwheat in and 2 eggs.
Yep.
And mixed it up.
That's right.
With a mixer.
So 1/3 of a cup of buckwheat flour, or whatever
And
flour
guys,
you'd like to use.
And Mum put the corn in already.
Yes. Now,
So you did let me do.
Jackie boy, I would like you to put the cheese and the parsley in. Good boy.
Easy.
That was very
Now
good.
yes.
I love, yes.
So do we mix?
I would like Jackie to put some salt and pepper in first. I don't know if you can see that. Look at all
Looks
those
so good.
colours.
I'm so excited to eat it.
Now I am hoping these turn out okay, guys, because I have not made these for years. In fact, these remind me of my mum, who used to make them when I was little, when I was probably your age.
This reminds me of the quiche that we did. Go check that video out, guys, if you didn't.
It's a great idea, Oshi. I want to give it a mix. Do you want to give it a mix too?
Yeah. And then I'll have it in a mix.
Then it's your turn. Get it all around the edges.
Oh, I'm not.
And as I said before, actually I don't think I did say it, but you can vary, there's many variations you could add. What could you add?
You could add capsicum, carrot, pumpkin if you want, anything.
Jackie's
Probably
turn.
anything. And also you can add tomatoes.
Hey Hey guys.
Can I tell you guys a joke?
Yes, can I put this in first and then you can tell your joke? Let's get these babies on the heat.
Mine's gonna be the funniest.
So, get your oil in your pan nice and hot because you want a little sizzle.
Well, have I had this before, Mum?
Many years ago.
Are they gonna get stick?
They won't get sticked.
Make it PJ.
Not too close, buddy, because the fat might splatter.
And voila! We are done.
Don't they look delicious? I wish everyone could smell them
They smell
because
so good.
they are beautiful.
They're nice and golden.
Yes?
Guys,
They got a bit of a crunch.
Guys, can I quickly tell you guys a joke? What did the man do when he goes home?
What, Jack?
Span his drink.
That's crazy.
And he did it.
So we're just cutting this for Oshi to test taste. Now, excuse my fingers, they are clean. That is divine. Now, I said earlier there are heaps and heaps of recipes out there, but be mindful. I have tasted some of these in restaurants before, and you may like it this way, but they add a lot of flour and it can be really doughy. And it takes away from the taste of the fresh vegetables and the herbs. So I use minimal flour, but just enough to keep them, to bind them, otherwise they'll fall apart. The other thing that's great about this particular recipe is you can make enough for a couple of days. When would you have the mochi?
Well, one, you can put it on a burger, a wrap, a sandwich, even salad. It's good to have it for breakfast, nice and healthy. And guys, you can wake up having a nice and healthy breakfast. So
Will we taste it?
we will try.
Would you like to try some? Okay, you bite that little side.
Alright. How is it, Jack?
Oh,
Yum. Jack
try
likes
Oshi?
it.
Let's
Alright.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
This is good. This is really
We'll have
good.
to make sure we save some for the cameraman too.
This kind of tastes like quiche, doesn't it?
Well, it does. So add capsicum, carrot, what else could you add? Oshi, pumpkin. Actually, a really nice variation is if you cook corned meat on a Sunday or a weekend, one of my favourites is dicing up corned meat into these. I know my husband loves those too. I think that's a wrap, guys. Anything you want to say before we go, Jack?
Guys, if you haven't checked out some of our Minecraft videos, go check them out.
You're a character.
Oops. Alright, so we hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel. And give it a big like, a really big, chubby, and league like. We love you to
And also
comment down
make
below
that like
what you
smash that like stick.
We would also like you to comment down below what we should do next. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, bring some ideas for us.
Yes.
Have a great week, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.